So you're thinking about this independent adjusting thing, but you're wondering realistically how many hours will you be expected to work and will you be away from your family very much? I'm an independent insurance adjuster. I make a bunch of money working for insurance companies, and if any of this provides you with any value, make sure you hit the follow button for more. Independent insurance adjusting is not an employee type of business. You're an independent contractor. You are a 1099, much like a photographer at a wedding or an Uber driver. But similar to those two career paths, you are the one who really determines how much or how little you're going to work. You are still trading your time for money, so the more time you spend working, the more money you're going to make, and the less time you spend working, the less money you're going to make. If you are trying to be the type of person who chases hurricanes, that goes down to Texas, Florida, on these big catastrophes to make a whole bunch of money doing that, you'll probably end up spending some time away from your family. If you're just looking to work like I do, mostly just locally, you'll still see your family. People who have a 9-to-5 job, you're not really spending any quality time with your family before you go to work, and by the time you get home from work at like 6 o'clock or whatever it is, you just got a couple hours before your wife, before your husband, especially your kids, go to bed for school the next day. Again, you determine how your schedule plays out, not somebody else. It might sound like this independent adjusting thing is really good for you, but if you're worried about having to work a lot, I don't recommend going into business in any way, shape, or form. If you want to get involved in independent insurance adjusting like me, let me know down in the comments.